Hi there folks, this is Tony from Murray Hyundai. I'm sitting inside one of our beautiful Hyundai Tucsons, and I wanted to show off a feature found in select Hyundai models that I think is awesome if you're ever stuck in traffic, or you have one of the little kids in the back that needs a little more attention, or someone in the family needs a little more assistance. So what I wanted to demonstrate to all of you is a little feature called auto hold. So on this Tucson model, it's just located right behind the shifter, and when I give it a press, you'll see an icon on the center dash that says auto hold. What this does is every time you come to a complete stop, the car will actually hold the parking brake for you, so you don't have to keep your foot on the brake, and you can kind of relax or reach back into the backseat to help any of the little ones that need assistance if they dropped anything. And just to demonstrate, I'm just gonna put this camera down for a split second. Actually, I'll just switch hands. I'm gonna drive forward just a few feet, and again, to get the car moving in auto hold, you just have to give it some gas. But I'm going to continue driving, and as soon as I come to a complete stop, that green light for auto hold engages. And as you can see, well, hard to see, but no foot on the brake, car's in drive, and I'm not going anywhere. So it's pretty sweet. Again, the only thing you have to do to get the car moving is give it some gas. But this way, if you drop your person in the back seat, you're not kind of keeping one toe on the brake and trying to reach back there or putting the car in park. And if you've been stuck in traffic for a few hours, you can kind of relax every time you come to a red light or come to a brief stop, just because you don't have to worry about the car rolling forward if you accidentally take the foot off the brake. But yeah, this is Tony from Murray Hyundai signing off on a beautiful December day. Thank you guys again, and have a wonderful day.